Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beautiful marshmallow flowers. First, gather your essential tools: large marshmallows, sharp kitchen shears, and your favorite food coloring. You'll also need a small bowl of water and a small brush for applying color. Don't forget a dusting of powdered sugar to keep everything from sticking together, ensuring a smooth crafting process. Now, let's create the petals. Take a large marshmallow and, using your kitchen shears, cut it into 5 or 6 sections. Remember to dip your shears in water between cuts. This prevents the sticky marshmallow from clinging to the blades. Gently flatten and shape each piece with your fingers to form delicate, realistic petals, giving them a natural curve. With your petals ready, it's time to assemble your flower. Arrange 5 or 6 petals in a circular pattern on a piece of parchment paper. Slightly overlap the edges of each petal to create a full, cohesive bloom. For the center, you can use a small, colored marshmallow or a tiny piece of candy to complete your edible masterpiece. Finally, let's add some vibrant color. Use your small brush to carefully apply food coloring to the petals, creating beautiful gradients or solid hues. Once colored, allow your marshmallow flowers to dry completely for several hours. This ensures the colors set and the flowers maintain their shape. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic choice for lasting comfort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.